Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Here with another reaction. Yeah. Wagwan people. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Don't know. I am. So, today we're here with the hottest dancehall artist. Arguably the hottest dancehall artist right now, Valiant. With a song called Speed Off. Drop a couple of days and that's it. See it, but never watch it. Let me make it. You know? Season for a second. So, we're here and we're doing reacting. You know how we do it, right? So, let's go, man. Class.
Yo, man. Leave up a pull up with the dog. Very good.
The Diplomat's record, so it seemed like him farmer a label. That's good, bro. That's good. DJ man, big up yourself.
Yo, man. Leave up a pull up with the dog. Very good idea, you know.
Me have any and we dog. Nothing can do but I need that.
So the BMW that is next to, that's Nick BMW. Nick Close BMW. Poison. If you call it Poison, obviously because of the color. Big up yourself, Nick. Big up yourself.
Me nah left you on belly. Big chop. Anytime when ready. Sick, suck.
Pull up with the dog. Very good idea, you know.
Yo, hold on. This guy, yeah, you can't take it from him. Whether you're a fan or not, you cannot deny the fact that this guy find melodies, find flows, find metaphors, similes, find slang, find every fucking thing, all in a short space of a time, bro, to be running the place. Big up yourself, Valiant.
Me have any and we dog. Nothing can do but I need that. Nah left you on belly, big chop. Anytime when ready, sick, suck. You're my day upon the telly, send the food and I'm a zelly, yo, the dial light steady.
Yo, the man chop song sound different from everybody else chop song, bro. Like, in chop song does carve out different. It's just, yeah.
Nah left you on belly, big chop. Anytime when ready, sick, suck. You're my day upon the telly, send the food and I'm a zelly, yo, the dial light steady. Speed off, Jesus. White tees and I'm a beam. Gas, I'm sharp like guillotine. And I'm a blaster. The life I will live for the fast cash. Rich, I'm not talk.
Yeah, the man is young, rich, talented, popular, and I do him thing, brother. Can't take that from him. Big up yourself, bro.
The life I will live for the fast cash. Rich, I'm not talk. Fully goes up, can't fall off.
Fully goes up.
Benz big like how the road big. Have some goons when we roll with.
See Nick there. Look at yourself, Nick. The man say, yo, the Benz big like how the road big. So you know, say anytime him a drive down the road, you have to bush for you. Bush for you, cause him can't take up the whole of the road. Yeah. Him Benz big like how the road big. And that's right there. Big Benz, big body Benz. Like how them curvious girl, them body big, yeah.
Benz big like how the road big. Yeah. Have some goons when we roll with.
Boom.
Uptown girl, she a trophy. Yo, mama, they are the motive.
Uptown girl, she a trophy. So why can't downtown girl be trophy too? You have some hot girl downtown too in my G. Why can't them be trophy too? Because they get to girl, them are the wickedest stuff. Be the man they don't tell already. Trophy, wife.
Uptown girl, she a trophy. Yo, mama, they are the motive. Clock, me nah left you on belly. Big chop.
Anytime when you're ready.
Sick, suck. You're my day upon the telly, send the food and I'm a zelly, yo, the dial light steady. Speed off, Jesus. White tees and I'm a beam. Gas, I'm sharp like guillotine.
Man said the girl them say him sharp like guillotine, dog. You know what a guillotine is, brother? I saw the man sharp, brother. Stepping razor. Outside, you know your girl mouth side. They say that.
Gas, I'm sharp like guillotine. Steve just sent me the leads. 10 mil a day at least. Me had the definition of a mish. Somebody tell me what the fuck the means.
The man say him is the definition of a mish. Go check out the name there, mish. Go check out mish. Me not gonna know. Yo, a woman me gonna go check out mish, bro. If I don't know, I don't know yet. I'm late to this, yeah.
Steve just send me the leads. 10 mil a day at least. Me are the definition of a mish. Somebody tell me what the fuck the means. Said it's shopping on a limit. Send it check into the phone now a minute. Client on my shoes of a
Yeah, boy, Nick love the fucking thing.
the definition of a
Look how Nick a laugh.
Somebody tell me what the fuck the means. Said it's shopping on a limit.
Yeah.
Send it check into the phone now a minute. Client on my shoes of a million of the Civic.
Bumbo clad, the man say client in a shoes. If you don't know once again, the man write the client name on the shoes and step on it. Say, man, hold on the client. Say the client have to do him ever and tell him to do. And that's the thing, the man goes down, man.
Send it check into the phone now a minute. Client on my shoes of a million of the Civic. I'm a dark and the world for the image.
Me dunce, I'm a dark and the world see me image. When me say me dunce, don't mean say yo, me literally dunce, bro. You see me? It's just a next slang. You know Jamaican love to run with slangs, right? Yeah. So I don't think say yo, me literally dunce. Because the man drop a song before this. Man I tell you say yo brother, him have only a subject and nothing go and see me. So what him for do? You see me? Yeah.
Client on my shoes of a million of the Civic.
Hold up.
I'm a dark and the world for the image. Me nah left you on belly. Big chop, anytime when ready. Sick, sack. You're my day upon the telly. Send the food and I'm a zelly. Yo, the dial light steady. Speed off, Jesus. White tees and I'm a beam. Gas, I'm a sharp like guillotine. And some a blast off. The life I will live for the fast gas. Rich, I'm not talk. Fully goes up, can't fall off. Benz big like how the road big. Have some goons when me roll with.
Goons.
Uptown girl, she a trophy.
Wife.
Yo, mama, they want mortgage.
Nah, leave it on lady.
Anytime I'm ready. Sick, suck. Yo, my day upon the telly. Send the food and I'm a zelly. Yo, the dial light steady.
Yo, me telling you that every reaction me do for Valiant. Romeo and Virgo vice. That me hear. Him have a Romeo and Virgo style. So he wasn't wrong when him fall upon Oxygen say yo, him have a theme type of music is trap gospel. He wasn't wrong. And if we don't do on a true research pan Valiant, you know, you see Valiant has been putting out conscious song, but nobody now gravitate to it. So them song when I put out, I have to feed him family and himself. I just saw the thing go. Yeah.
Feed off, Jesus. White tees and I'm a beam. Gas, I'm a sharp like guillotine. White tees and I'm a beam. Said it's shopping on a limit. Send it check into the phone now a minute. Client on my shoes of a million of the Civic.
If I'm a King Cam shoot this not shoot good, brother.
Big up yourself, King Cam.
You see you free.
Yo, big up yourself, King Cam. Yo, like I said, bro, like Valiant is over talented. Like, he's not overrated, he's over talented. Like, what I mean, say, yo, anything when I get right now, he deserves everything because he's been doing it. You see me? Valiant have song on top of song and all of them are hot song, bro. Like, yo, him not put a foot wrong up to this minute. Him not sing a shit song where since him viral catchy a thing, him not put out a shit song, bro. Like, the youth sick, bro. Him bad. So you have to give him props. You have to give Valiant him props. Big up yourself, Valiant. Big up yourself. Do all of your fans, them, bro. I'm a fan. So big up yourself. Keep doing it, and keep giving us bad songs like this with videos also. See me? So yeah, King Cam, big up on yourself. This time I'm gonna leave down. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, you know what to do, man. You know what to do. Outside.